Hi friend. Welcome to A Pharmacist. Thanks for being here again. In today's video, we will discuss about the essential hormones in human. First is estrogens. Estrogens are a group of sex hormones that promote the development and maintenance of female characteristics in the human body. They play an essential role in the growth and development of female secondary sexual characteristics, such as breasts, pubic and armpit hair, and the regulation of the menstrual cycle and reproductive system. Second is progesterone. Progesterone is a hormone released by the corpus luteum in the ovary. It plays important roles in the menstrual cycle and in maintaining the early stages of pregnancy. Third is prolactin. Prolactin is the hormone that tells the body to make breast milk when a person is pregnant or breastfeeding. Production of prolactin takes place in the pituitary gland. For those who are not pregnant or breastfeeding, there are only low levels of prolactin in the body. Fourth is insulin. Insulin is a hormone made by the pancreas that allows your body to use sugar, glucose from carbohydrates in the food that you eat for energy or to store glucose for future use. Insulin helps keeps your blood sugar level from getting too high, hyperglycemia, or too low, hypoglycemia. Fifth is glucagon. Glucagon is a peptide hormone produced by alpha cells of the pancreas. It works to keep your blood sugar level stable. These hormones break down the stored glucose so your body can use it for energy. Sixth is leptin. Leptin is your very own personal tranny. Control the appetite by signaling your brain to stop eating. It also helps your brain regulate how much energy your body burns throughout day. Seventh is luteinizing. Luteinizing hormone is a hormone produced by gonadotropic cells in the anterior pituitary gland. In females, an acute rise of LH triggers ovulation and development of the corpus luteum in males. Eighth is melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle. It is primarily released by the pineal gland. Ninth is oxytocin. It is normally produced in the hypothalamus and released by the posterior pituitary. It plays a role in social bonding, sexual reproduction, childbirth, and the period after childbirth. 10th is cortisol. Cortisol is a steroid hormone. This hormone is released during time of stress, increase heart rate, blood pressure, blood glucose and respiration. It also temporarily shut down the body's system. 11th is adrenaline. Adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, is a hormone and medication. Adrenaline is normally produced by the adrenal glands. 12th is ghrelin. Ghrelin hormone made by the stomach. Also called hungry hormone. It stimulates appetites and prepare the body for food. 13th is aldosterone. Aldosterone hormones made by the adrenal gland. It regulates the blood pressure by increasing salt and water reabsorption in kidney. 14th is testosterone. Testosterone is the male sex hormone, plays a big role for women too. It contributes to your sex drive. Thanks for watch this video. Don't forget like, comment, share, and subscribe.